How to enable security key for Discord using Passkey app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store on your device. Then search Google Authenticator. Click on Google Authenticator and install the app. After installing the app, simply go back and open Discord. Make sure you log into your account on Discord as well. Click on You, which is in bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings, which is located on top right corner of your screen. Then click on Account. Then click on Enable Authenticator app. Add your password, click on Next, copy the code and open the Authenticator app. After you open Authenticator app, simply click on plus sign you'll find on bottom right. Then add your code name and key. Click on Add and copy the code that Authenticator app gives you. Simply paste it to Discord. Click on Done. You can also enable SMS authentication, adding your phone number. As you can see, Authenticator has been added. It will give you security keys when you log into your account. And that's how you enable security key for Discord using Passkey app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.